Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's class. Today's diction class promises to be very interesting. My name is Mrs. Thangood, and I hope you're ready for today's class. Okay, let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's class. My name is Mrs. Thangood, and I hope you are ready to learn. Good. Let's get started. So, today's class, you will be having a lot of benefits. First, you would erase your bad diction as it concerns this lesson. Secondly, it will soften the way you speak. You will sound very, very soft, not too hard in your accent. And then this will be done by, if we look at the syllable ending, that is suffix TION. TION, of course, there are many words that ends with TION. And these words also have their special pronunciation because of the ending syllable or the suffix TION. Now, when a word ends with TION, how is it pronounced? Now, look at the spelling TION. So, many of us will say it is pronounced as shun. Shun. I won't blame you, but with this lesson, you would learn how to correctly pronounce any word that ends with TION. So let's get started. So take notes. This part of the word or suffix is only spelled at the word's ending, at word endings. You don't see it at the beginning. You don't see it at the middle. It is always a suffix and it always appears at the end of the word. Now, let's look at the first part in that syllable, ti. It's most times pronounced sh. Ti is most times pronounced sh, and it has the same sound as sh. The same sound as sh in most words. Now, the vowel O is very weak in pronunciation. You don't pronounce your O as O when it's with TION. You pronounce the O very weak. It is not supposed to make any sound when you're pronouncing them or pronouncing it. Okay? So instead of saying on to complete the other part of the syllable, that is after sh, instead of saying on, it's rather best you pronounce as n, 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 n. Okay? That's why you have this here. So it's better pronounced as n and not on. Okay? So let's continue. So if you add sh and together, you would have this pronunciation, shin, shin, and not shun. Okay? I repeat that again. When you add sh, that's a TI, and of course, we've learned that when you see ON, you don't pronounce on in the suffix. You rather pronounce only the letter N. Imagine that there is no O in this word, or the O is barely heard. It will give you the result here, shun, shun, okay? And not shun. If you have gotten this part of the lesson, let's proceed. So we have the first position as a word that ends with TION. The first one on our list is shun, position, position. So, how many syllables have the word position? Po, z, shin. Let's look at the word again. Po, z, shin. So you heard the ending part, the suffix here says shin. Position. Okay? Position. Okay. So let's go ahead. The number 2 word here is action. Action. Okay? So again, we have 2 syllables here. Action. Action. So if you hadn't had this class before now, you would have been saying action, right? So we're not learning to say action, we're learning to say action. So look at the way I pronounce the shin. We don't need the O, okay, in our pronunciation. Let's keep going. Number 3, nation. Nation. Number 4, addition. Addition. Of course, these are mathematical words. Addition. Number 5, subtraction. Subtraction. Traction. Okay? Not traction. Number 6 word, multiplication. 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 Well done. Let's keep going. The number 7 word is education. Education. And not mindful, be mindful of the syllable is j and not do. Okay? So education. So we go to the next one. Question. Question. Now I added this word, okay, because it's spelled with TION, but in this word, it's special. The last syllable here is special. It's pronounced as chin, chin, and not shun, like the other words we're considering. Okay? So we have here, just take note, here is pronounced chin. You know the CH sound? Yes, this word actually sounds like the letter T, CH. The letter what? CH. So the TI here will take the place of the sound, the same sound CH makes. And then it doesn't stop us from pronouncing our ending sound, which is n. So you add ch to n, it gives you chin, chin. If you notice, it sounds different from shin here, shin here, shin here, shin here, 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 and here. So this word is very special. I added here so you can also notice that not all TION makes the same sound. There are very few words that went their separate ways, okay? Which it could be pronounced as chin, okay? But this word is one of them. So let's go ahead. Question, question. But the important thing, we're not saying chon, we're saying shin, okay? Chin, question. The next one is station, station, okay? Station. The next is attention, attention, attention. Let's go to the next one. Diction. Diction. Okay? Now you know the pronunciation of these words. Let's practice. You listen and repeat these sentences after me. I I am in the first position. I am in the first position. Beautiful. Number 2, verbs are action words. Verbs are action words. Beautiful. Number 3, addition means to add. Addition means to add. Beautiful. Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to take away. Beautiful. Number 5, I have a question. I have a question. Number 6, number 6, I won't pay attention. I won't pay attention. Give me the direction to the house. Give me the direction to the house. There was supposed to be a the here. Typo. Mom stopped at the filling station to get some fuel. Mom stopped at the filling station to get some fuel. Always speak with the right diction. Always speak with the right diction. The right education is a blessing to a nation. The right education is a blessing to a nation. Beautiful. If you say the sentences well, well done. Now, you have something to do for me. You will try more words ending with TION that says shun. Okay? Make sure you practice those words you're going to gather, words that ends with TION. Make sure you sound shun. Shun. Practice makes better. You know that already. So make sure you keep practicing, and always use your diction. Goodbye for now.